Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your earbuds Energy System Style 4 with your MacBook. You have to start by press one time at the Bluetooth button at the top. But if you don't have this icon, just go to the control panel and click at the Bluetooth here. Then go to the settings. And now we need to enter pairing mode, so open the charging case. If your earbuds do not connect it with another devices, they will enter to pairing mode automatically and you will see them at the device list. Also, we can enter to pairing mode manually. So right here and right here we have touch RES. You need to press and hold both of them until you will see the tone prompt and this LED light start blinking white also. And you will enter to pairing mode manually. Now click connect near to your earbuds. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!